So yeah, we're now in our third year of the Masters on Transitional Justice, Human Rights and the Rule of Law. And so far one can say that the first 3 years have been really a success. We have a great number of interests into our Masters program. We have now the third year of highly interesting students coming to our Masters program from different parts of the world. So we're very happy how things have evolved. And also we have an excellent faculty, and maybe Frank wants to say something about the faculty.
Yes, you have Professor Sarah Noon, who works on peace building. We think this is a still rather underexplored field, peace building and criminal justice, the role of criminal justice and peace building. And we have Brandon Hamber from Northern Ireland, who will work on topics of mental health and truth commissions. We think also that's a very important topic, also regarding victimology studies and so on, which should be deepened, and we are happy to have Brandon with us.
And I think Frank and myself, who are both directing this master's program, are very eager also to listen to our students and address needs. And in the first 2 years we saw that actually there's an added value to maybe slightly change the program, to focus in the first semester more on content courses, on theoretical, thematic areas, and in the second semester to be more diverse and to give our students kind of the opportunity to dig deeper into the issue from different perspectives. And so what we do in the second semester is we split students up in 3 tracks, in 3 different kind of areas. So some students will be working in a track we call a clinical track with organizations, doing research internships. In another track, students will focus more on academic work. They will look more into academic research and preparing them for maybe future academic research, that may be a PhD or writing an academic article. And the third track is really for students who want to learn more about specific thematic issues or specific processes. And we are very proud that we could create our own transitional justice seminars. One will be on transitional justice and civil society, so there's a strong link between civil society work and effective transitional justice processes, and also the rule of law in practice, to look really what does it mean to implement rule of law. And we do this with 2 very well-known experts in the field who have done it themselves. And I think that this diversification in the second semester will allow us to address more also these diverse needs students have and equip them better maybe for their future jobs. But we have more to offer, I think.
Exactly, yes. We have also, now we had already the Transitional Justice Cafes. I think this is something we're very proud of, we like. We invite people from Geneva-based people working for organizations, coming in, sharing their experiences with us. This is something our students liked, and we will continue with this. And then we have the spring school again, but in a different formula, so which will really involve a sort of practical exercise around how to create a mandate for a truth commission, and we will have an expert working in this field to help us with a 3-day course where we really have a practical exercise and see how these tools can work in practice. And that's something we find important, rather than just having pure theory.
This is one of our visions, to connect theory and practice. And I think with these changes we did now, with kind of new developments we take into account, I think we created really a dynamic program which responds to the needs, but also to the challenges people might face in practice after the academic year is over. And so, yeah, with the program we have now in place, we hope we're well equipped for the future and for the years to come. And we hope that you will join us.